If you give me a really delicious drink and then you can make it alcoholic, I would enjoy that drink just a little bit more.
And does it make me prettier?
Can you get prettier, really? You can get blurrier, though.
I can definitely get blurrier. This is the orange egg cream. 2 ounces of Irish whiskey, 1 ounce of triple sec, 1 ounce of heavy cream, 6 drops of vanilla, 4 dashes of orange bitters. We're gonna shake that with ice and strain it into these brandy snifter glasses. Top that with the zest of an orange.
This is my childhood.
2 ounces of Irish whiskey.
This is like an alcoholic creamsicle.
It is an alcoholic creamsicle.
Yeah, and I'm totally fine with that. I made a cocktail when I lived in Chicago. Friends of mine were having a cocktail contest, and I made a thing called the Mexican Dreamsicle.
Oh.
You needed 2 people to drink it, so it was basically tequila and orange juice and grenadine and cream. And you shook it and you poured it into a shot glass, and then you shot it. And as soon as you shot it, someone with a spoon of ice cream stuck it in your mouth.
Oh.
So you shoot the drink, and then you had a ice cream chaser, vanilla ice cream chaser. Ooh.
Smell that vanilla? Mexican vanilla.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Yeah. Interesting. It almost smells like chocolatey, not chocolatey, but yeah, right?
I think I remember that was the main note they said.
That's so wild. Yeah, it has like a milk chocolate essence to it. Interesting. Okay.
I'm gonna top that bad boy with some ice.
Extra shakes this time.
Try to get it nice. I really want to get it frothed up for you.
Frothy. Frothy the snowman. All right. What do we got? What's this looking like?
Some brandy snifters.
Oh, it's got like a Irish whiskey cream color to it.
The other reason
a little lighter, but yeah.
Because you have your own Irish cream.
I do. I make my own Irish whiskey cream from scratch, and it is amazing. I'm actually a big fan of the cream drinks to begin with. Obviously, like an Irish whiskey cream and other versions. Gives you a different mouthfeel, gives you a different flavor, the whole thing. I love the extra nose that you get on a cocktail, you know. Again, in like an old fashioned, you have that extra orange that's in there, the essence of it, so you get that in your nose as you're sipping it, even if you don't get it in the flavor. So things like this, I love. Having that orange zest on top it adds the extra element as you're sipping it.
You're smelling.
You know, yeah. So it's the whole thing is like we all know that like your sensories, all your different senses are
olfactory.
They all kind of exactly. They all work together. You know that when you're tasting wine, you want to get open mouth on smelling, all those things, because they go hand in hand, and I think that's a big part of it.
And straw is not mandatory. I just did it as a nod to childhood when you get like a chocolate mouth.
I think I'll actually start without the straw.
Just get the nose.
Yeah, because I want to get in there. What's this called again?
The orange egg cream.
The orange egg cream.
Cheers. Bottoms up.
Oh yeah.
It's creamy.
Oh, you get that vanilla. Like more than I thought you were gonna get. You know, it's obviously whiskey based. You get the whiskey right in there. The nose is fantastic with the orange.
It's just very like got that milkshake quality to it,
yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, nice and creamy. Has the quality of a good White Russian, which is literally my favorite evening drink. And this it's like a bright White Russian.
A bright White Russian.
But it's a whiskey. What is a White Russian when it's whiskey? A white Scott. I don't know.
Cheers, Todd. Thank you. Enjoy, sir.
Thank you. Yeah, I think I like it without the straw.